Kick it to me. Kick it to me. No, this way. This way. Go on, kick it to me. Kick it to Dad. Ready? Oh, that's a good kick. Ready? I'll kick it to you. Oh. That's an awesome kick, Bobby. Ready? I'll kick it over there. Go, 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 go. Again, again. Oh, that's a good style. Ready? Again, go, go, go. Oh, Bobby. That's a good kick. Go. Go, go, go. Oh, can you kick it with the other foot? Kick it with the other foot. No. There we go. Is this going to be a big one? Whoa! Go, 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 go. Oh, Bobby, that's awesome. Ready? You're kicking it to me? You gotta follow through. Go. Oh, that's an awesome kick. Nope. Think you're gonna be a good soccer star? Oh no, is it going under there? Oh, Bobby. That's a good kick. Where's it going? Where are you going? Oh, you having a drink? Oh, we got another ball. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, you're going to kick that one underneath too. Now they're gone. Did you get it? Where's the other one? Hang on, how about I help you? You got him? Okay. You're gonna kick two? Oh, nice one. What about this one? What about the blue one? Uh-oh. Yep, that one stays over there. Ready? Big kick to Dad. Go. Oh, nice one, Bobby. Wow. Yeah. Ready? Uh-oh. Go. Can you throw it? How about you throw it to Dad? Throw. Big throw. Oops. That's just too funny, isn't it? Okay, we better go. How about we try one kick for the big ball? Maybe Man U will sign you up. Bobby, can you kick the big ball? How about the big ball? No? This is way too much fun. Okay. trying to wave to Abuela and Abuelo? Come on, wave goodbye. Okay, no waving. Bye-bye.